Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Wipe the can rim and underside of the lid to remove wet paint so the seal will be tight. Position the lid squarely. Align any tabs or ridges. Place the can on a solid surface at waist height for control. Press the lid gently with your palm until it seats, then shift to a flat tool for even pressure. This prevents gaps and paint streaks that ruin seals. Make sure you remove stray globs before completing the seal. Once the lid is seated, use a rubber mallet or a wooden block with hammer to tap around the perimeter in short, controlled strikes, moving opposite sides to maintain even pressure. Focus on the rim-to-lid joint. Don't overstrike one area. If the can has a locking tab, engage it now. Check for flush contact all the way around. Repeated light taps are better than heavy blows that dent the can. This creates the crimp needed for an airtight closure. Finish by wiping excess paint from the outside. Label the lid with date and color, and store the can upright on a stable shelf away from heat. Invert the can briefly over a rag to ensure there's no seepage. If none, your seal holds. If the lid became stuck or uneven, warm the rim with a hair dryer for a few seconds and retap, or carefully use a prying tool to realign the edge. If you see persistent leaks, transfer to a new sealed container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.